Today, I'm showing you how to transfer data from your Android phone to iPhone wirelessly using the Move to iOS app. Let's get started. Step 1. Download Move to iOS on Android. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. Search for Move to iOS and tap on the official app by Apple Inc. Tap Install to download the app. Once installed, tap Open. Step 2. Prepare your iPhone. On your new iPhone, turn it on and follow the setup steps. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, select Move Data from Android. The iPhone will display a code. Keep this screen open and ready. Step 3. Open Move to iOS on Android. Launch the Move to iOS app on your Android device. Tap Continue on the welcome screen. Step 4. Read Terms and Conditions. The terms and conditions appear. Read them and tap Agree to proceed. Step 5. Access Find Your Code screen. On the Find Your Code screen, tap Continue. The app will request permission to access certain features. Step 6. Grant permissions. Move to iOS needs several permissions to transfer your data. Tap Allow for each permission when prompted. These permissions are necessary for the app to gather and transfer your data. Step 7. Wait for code screen. After granting permissions, wait a moment while the app prepares. You'll soon see a screen asking you to enter a code. Step 8. Enter the code from iPhone. Remember that code displayed on your iPhone earlier? Enter that 6-digit or 10-digit code into your Android device. Type it carefully and tap Continue. Step 9. Wait for connection. Your Android device will now connect to your iPhone wirelessly. This creates a temporary private Wi-Fi network between the two devices. Step 10. Select data to transfer. Once connected, you'll see a list of data types you can transfer. Select everything you want to transfer by checking the boxes. Step 11. Start transfer. After selecting your data, tap Continue or Next on your Android device. The transfer process begins immediately. Step 13. Wait for completion on Android. Your Android device will show Transfer Complete when finished. Step 14. Verify transfer on iPhone. Once your iPhone displays this Setup Complete screen, check if all your data transferred successfully. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your data from Android to iPhone wirelessly using the Move to iOS app. Welcome to iOS.